watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Step into the heart of the home where warmth and nostalgia blend seamlessly, the farmhouse kitchen. As timeless as comfort itself, these culinary sanctuaries evoke a sense of coziness and simplicity that makes them truly irresistible. Today, we invite you to explore a curated collection of beautiful farmhouse kitchen designs that are sure to stir up a delicious mood and inspire culinary adventures. In the farmhouse kitchens, simplicity reigns supreme. Picture pristine white dishes neatly arranged, the comforting aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting through the air, and every utensil finding its designated place. It's a space where organization meets charm, turning mundane tasks into delightful rituals. From rustic wooden accents to vintage-inspired decor, each element contributes to the inviting atmosphere that defines farmhouse style. As you envision your ideal kitchen, perhaps you imagine touches of greenery bringing life to the space or the soothing sound of a kettle whistling on the stove. These are the details that transform a mere room into a sanctuary for the senses. Whether you're savoring a quiet morning cup of tea or bustling about preparing a hearty family meal, a farmhouse kitchen provides the perfect backdrop for culinary creativity and cherished memories. Watch until the end because I'll be sharing some farmhouse kitchen decor ideas that might inspire you in decorating your own home. So, happy watching! As we journey through these beautiful farmhouse kitchens, let's celebrate the art of simple living and the joy found in life's everyday moments. From the warmth of reclaimed wood to the elegance of vintage accents, each design reflects a timeless charm that transcends trends. So pull up a chair, pour yourself a cup of tea, and immerse yourself in the delicious mood of farmhouse living.